Hi everyone, welcome in another video regarding unboxing. In this case we have only Matchboxes this time, as it's really hard to get the new Hot Wheels nowadays. It's because of the current situation. Cześć wszystkim, witam was w kolejnym filmiku dotyczącym unboxingu. W tym przypadku mamy Matchboxy, ponieważ ostatnio jest dosyć spory problem z dostępnością Matchboxów i Hot Wheelsów. Hot Wheelsów akurat ostatnio nie udało mi się żadnych upolować z nowych serii. Some of you guys telling me that it's not the best idea to unbox those little cars because they lose the value, so that's why I always buy two of them, the same model. I'm keeping one boxed and the other one I'm unboxing. Niektórzy z was pisali w komentarzach, że nie jest to najlepszym pomysłem rozpakowywanie tych autek, tych resoraków, ponieważ tracą one na wartości. Dlatego, tak jak tutaj widzicie, zawsze kupuję te modele, te lepsze modele, które mi się najbardziej podobają. Zawsze kupuję dwa takie same, jeden zostaje w pudełku, drugi rozpakowujemy. A teraz zapraszam do oglądania. Now I invite you to watch the unboxing. So let's begin. First one is a Lamprover Defender, the new shape one, which is really nice. It's a 3-door one. I love it, the unboxing of those little cars. It's really nice. The top is also plastic, the roof. Next one, the Porsche 914. And then we have a Audi TT Red one. I've already have a couple of them. I can't remember what colors, but I think one of them is a yellow one. And this is the first Dodge Durango I have. It's nice because it's got the tow bar. And here we have the International Armored Car. I guess it's all plastic. The body, yeah, it's plastic. Just the bottom part is metal. Nice looking car. I mean van. And here is a little Japanese Subaru Sambar. I've already have one white one, as far as I can remember. It's a nice little pickup van. It's so small. And here we have a unmarked police car. This is a Ford Interceptor. It's got the front bull bar. And next one is a Mazda CX5 black one. I've already have a couple of them in different colors. This one is a black. We also have another Mazda here, Mazda 3. I'm not sure if I have one already. And the next one, FoodTruck. It's a choco. I guess it's a coffee van, or it says ice cream, but I would say it's more like a coffee or chocolate. rather than ice cream. I already have a couple of them. Here we have a Mercedes, the old shape one, 62, Mercedes-Benz 220 SE with a nice painting. I have the grey one, like a matte grey, also with some paintings and numbers on the doors. And here we have a Lamborghini Gallardo Police. And here is a Alfa Romeo Guliia. One of my favorite ones, Subaru SVX. Same as a Land Rover, it's got a plastic roof. Nice looking car with a nice reg number. And here I have two new Beetle convertibles. One is orange and the other one is white. And I also have two Nissan pickup trucks, 95, hard body. One is white, the other one is, I would say, is more like a greenish. And they both have the tow bars. And NYPD Car, it's a Ford Interceptor. It's like a SUV. Also with a bull bar at the front and a tow bar. I think I've already have a unmarked police car like that. And this one is really nice. It's a new Honda electric car 2020. Very little. It's got nice wing mirrors. And a Jeep Gladiator 2020. Blue one. I have a red one as far as I can remember, and a green one. No doors, no roof. And here we have a mini digger, like a bobcat. Really nice. I really like it. And I have a Kurtis sport car 1949. Convertible, two-seater. And last two, we have a van. It's a Renault Kangoo Express locksmith. And the last one is a mini cargo truck. It's like a one you can find at the airport. So guys, that's it in this video. If you like this video, please leave the thumb up and subscribe my channel as more videos are coming soon. Also guys, if you have any questions, thoughts or comments, please leave them in a section below. To już wszystko w tym filmiku. Jeżeli podobał Wam się ten filmik, zostawcie łapkę w górę oraz zasubskrybujcie mój kanał, ponieważ więcej takich filmików będzie wlatywać na kanał. Również jeżeli macie jakieś pytania, przemyślenia bądź też komentarze, zostawcie je w sekcji poniżej pod filmikiem. A ja tymczasem się żegnam i do zobaczenia w następnym filmiku. See you in the next video.